afternoon, good evening. My name is Cesar Eduardo Muñoz Morales. I am studying in the manufacturing career. I am present the audience of one of the most used transport in the world, an aeroplane. The myth of the Icarus. Long ago, Daedalus, a famous inventor, was imprisoned along with his son Icarus by order of King Minos. To escape, Daedalus had to imitate the earth and build two pairs of wings. When they were ready, they flew over the cliff where they had been trapped. Daedalus landed on the beach on nearby the island, but Icarus excited to fly, competed with the birds and approached the sun. The heat melted the wax, causing him to fall into the sea and die. Like a story, there are many others collected throughout human history that are proof of the human desire to fly. This act became the most genuine expression of the freedom. The first design for flying machine dates back to 400 BC with the adoption of a kit, although it is considered that it was Leonardo da Vinci. The first true flight human was in 1783 when the brothers Joseph and Jacques Mockfield made the first flying through Avignon, France, 7 years before the French Revolution. Many experts and scientists believe that the first human-made flight in an airplane was not made with the Wright brothers, could be a Brazilian engineer named Alberto Santos Dumont on September 13, 1906. Dumont achieved the motorized flight by piloting a plane called 14 Bs. He was able to fly the distance of 226 meters, unlike the Wrights that needed the wind and favor and a catapult to take off. Conclusion: the aeroplanes are the materialization of man's desire to fly, a test the ingenuity and perseverance.